This is a stretch for the subscapularis, or one of the rotator cuff muscles. It's an internal rotator. So what you'll do is you'll put your arm in a doorway. The elbow is at shoulder height, and this is bent 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. So what you'll do is you'll find a stretch point where you can't go any further, but it's not painful. And you just hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now what you'll do is with your hand, you'll press your hand into the door jamb. Not your elbow, but your hand. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to release the contraction, and you're going to tilt, you're going to lean forward, stretching the subscapularis, and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and press the hand into the door jamb again for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax and lean forward even more. And hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then just repeat that for a total of 2 to 3 repetitions.